Hey guys, just need to lock the door. The worksheets, please stick them to your book. Just don't drop them on the floor. That's for my year 10, rearranging formula. I will have a word with you later. I'm going to start with a fun game. You know this game, when I put the money under one of these pots and I start moving around, you have to guess which one it is. So I'm going to start with this 5 dirham under this. Pay attention. See if you would be able to tell me which pot it is. Which one? This one? You're right. You just won 5 dirham and these are mine. So the first person to leave a comment under my video can come and collect 5 dirham. No, I take it back. Can collect 1 dirham. 5 dirham is too much. Why I'm using pink? Good question. It's a pink day tomorrow. I don't know when you are watching that video, but for me tomorrow is a pink day. On Thursday at school we wear something pink, and obviously it's for the awareness for breast cancer. Let's all take part in that. What I'm going today with you guys is to teach you how to make a magical fountain. Nothing magical, obviously science behind it, but I have been banned to go around the fire and anything like smokes because I did something. I call it fun, but obviously school doesn't like it. I have triggered the smoke alarm twice in the last few months. It's so difficult for me to be away from fire, but let's just do something with empty bottle of water, drinking a straw, hot glue gun, scissors, and wow, I'm supposed to have a drill. I don't have a drill here. I'm going to use this to poke a hole in the caps, but it's going to be very difficult, so sorry, but I'm going to use fire again. So Bunsen burner, hit this off and it's easier to do it. But you guys don't do it. That's so dangerous. Basically, if you want to be safe, don't do what I do. Just do the opposite. I'm crazy, you don't be. So to start with, I'm taking this cap off and glue it in the bottom. Now I need to make a hole at the bottom here. Means I need to go and use my nail. I'll be back. So job done. I made 2 holes here. Safe. I didn't burn myself. I promise. No smoke alarm. Nothing. Next, what I'm going to do is to cut the top part of this. I need a cutter. Careful, it's so sharp. Alright, next step is to glue these 2 caps together, like this. Sorry, I had the window open, that's why I could hear the outside noise. Then I need 2 more holes inside here, so I'm going to go back to my job. I've made 2 holes in these caps too. Same technique, the one that you don't do. So it's time now to cut your straw, so you put your bottles next to each other like this arrangement. I'll put it this way so you can see. Okay, so the first straw is going to be from the middle bottle about below the cap, and we want some of this to be out. So I'm gonna have it this long. If it was extra I can cut it later, but for now that should be enough. So that's the first one. The second one I need, this has to be from below this cap, so below the bottom cap, all the way to the top. I'm not sure if this is the right size. Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't need to cut this. This is already the right size. And the last one, school is over. The last one should be long enough all the way from the bottom to the top. So, I have the right size again. Now we just need to put all the straw through the bottle. I'm going to start with this one, the pink one, which was the first one we cut. So, go through. Just do it this way. So we put the first one through here like this, and then we have the very long one next to it. So So, and then this next one goes all the way through. So the first one and the second long one is going all the way through. Now, cap for the middle one, this one goes, and the last straw. Now it's time to put the glue and make sure we seal these straws from here. The short one, just slightly being below is fine, is enough. This long one, we have to make sure this is going to be in the top of our fountain. So this, we push it all the way down, not too much, still inside, so this much would be enough. And I hold it where it is. I have burned myself as usual. Okay, this top part here needs to be sealed too. That's where the top part goes. Look inside. That's the bottom part. Oh, I need to seal this cap too. Oh, I think I should have sealed this first. Yeah, should have sealed this one first too and then seal the top one. Let's see if I can do it still. Kind of managed to do it. That's how it looks like so far. And then we have the bottom part, which is a bit long, so I need to cut it shorter. Are. I guess this is it. Done. So I just need to test it. So first adding water. Now I don't know why this straw is blocked. I have no idea.
What's it meant to be?
This is called the Heron's fountain, so it's actually a good trick. Okay. So what you can do, you can actually have like juice inside, so Coke, and then you add water here, Coke comes out from here.
Oh, right, okay.
And it will work, a small amount of water, it will work until the whole bottle is empty.
Oh.
But,
It's not working.
I don't know, this is blocked, I have no idea why. No idea.
Do you use hot glue?
Use hot glue gun.
Has it melted the straw?
Melted, oh.
You can actually see, yeah, because as you're blowing,
that's water,
there's something
that's
that's moving down, but...
It's a tiny amount, I don't know where it is.
Yeah. Alright, no, I'm just going to check and see if, well, keep it to be following how long you need it.
Thank you, yeah, I will give it to you tomorrow. Cheers.
Alright, good luck.
Thank you. So this is it. If you're asking why it looks different to what I made, because I accidentally blocked one of the straws with hot glue, so it wasn't working. So I did the same process, same thing, do it again. Also I sealed these bottle caps because they are from different bottles. It was leaking a little bit. So let's see how it works now. I have water here. I'm just going to add some food coloring to it to give it a nice effect. Nice one. This is, remember this is food coloring, but I still don't drink or eat these things. So holding up, start filling. I hope it doesn't go on my shirt. So you fill it until the bottom bottle is completely filled. Then you need to turn this upside down, so I'm going to do it over here so I won't make mess. Then you turn it upside down, you can see the middle bottle start getting filled. that's it. So turn it again other way. Your fountain is ready now. So here is my fountain. I place it inside here, and all I have to do now is to add some. I'm just using some water. See how it works. And here you are. That's the fountain. This would continue working until the bottle is completely empty. My suggestion for you is don't add food coloring. It's too messy. It's color gone everywhere. If it's just water, it's easy to clean, but food coloring, don't do it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my videos. One video every week, or who knows, maybe I make 2 videos a week if I get time. See you till next time.